Hi, I'm Caroline from Spectrum. In this video, we'll be unboxing and reviewing the Spectrum Aurora 20-inch Platinum Pro ring light. Let's look inside the box to see what's included. We have the carry bag, we have a light stand that supports the ring light, we have the ring light itself, there are two diffusers, one soft orange and one soft white. There is a mirror, a smartphone bracket, a two-part Z bracket that supports both a camera and the mirror, a power adapter and cable, and the welcome pack. Let's look at each part separately. The first piece is the light stand. Now be aware that the legs unfold in the opposite direction to a traditional tripod. The first thing to do is to unscrew the knob in the middle, then hold two of the legs with one leg facing away from you and just pull it to open. Once you've got it in the position that you want, just remember to re-screw the knob. We're now going to mount the ring light onto the stand. So unscrew the turning knob, not all the way out, but enough to be able to fit it onto the light stand, and screw to tighten. To tilt the ring light head, rotate this lever counterclockwise to loosen and clockwise to tighten. If you find that the lever hits the casing, simply pull it out, rotate and continue to tighten. You'll notice that there are three extendable segments in the light stand, so make sure that you evenly extend these sections in order to maximize the stability of your light stand. Also, ensure one of the legs is in the same direction as the ring light to ensure even further stability when we're tilting the ring light head. Lastly, consider an optional weight or sandbag to even further enhance the stability of your light stand. We're now going to mount the two-part Z bracket. So the first part has a screw at the top and the side. Just align that with the corresponding holes on the ring light and screw to tighten. The second L-shaped part of the bracket has two screws here. Simply align them with the corresponding holes here. Tighten the bottom one first. And before you completely screw, adjust to fit and then tighten. To mount the camera onto the Z bracket, align the top screw with the bottom of the camera and screw to tighten. Always double check that the camera is secure. The Z bracket is also your mounting point for the mirror and the smartphone bracket. Simply align the screw here with the top of the Z bracket and screw to tighten. The smartphone bracket comes in two parts, the gooseneck and the bracket itself. To attach the bracket to the gooseneck, find the side with the two screws, align the hole to the screw and tighten. Bend the gooseneck to the desired shape that you want and then use the other screw here, align it to the Z bracket just like with the mirror and tighten. Then take your smartphone and mount it onto the bracket. To operate the ring light, flick the power switch and adjust the knob to increase and decrease the intensity of the light. This 43cm table stand is perfect for those with limited amounts of space, and as the name suggests, it's perfect for the tabletop. And it goes with any Spectrum Aurora ring light. The Spectrum Mobile Shutter Remote is an optional accessory that allows you to take photos without touching the device. In the box, you'll find the remote, a cable for tablets and smartphones, and an optional cable for various cameras. To use the remote for smartphones or tablets, connect one side of the cable to the remote and the other side to the headphone jack of your device. If your phone does not have a headphone jack, use its provided adapter. To use the remote for cameras, connect one end of the cable to your remote and the other end to the shutter port of your camera. Let's look in, So it's rotate this lever counterclockwise. You're going to say counterclockwise. You're doing it the wrong way.